Hello everyone in the EDAP 690 class. Hopefully we are finally going to put to rest our Module 3 this Wednesday. This module, what I'm going to expect you to do is when we come to class, you will have your VoiceThread completed. We will do class presentations on each one of Mayer's principles. You may get up and talk about your VoiceThread, or you may just play the VoiceThread if you feel that it does a very good job, which I'm sure they will. Then I want to present you with your new way of viewing the world after we have become acquainted with Mayer. And in doing so, then we can move on to the next module, which is Module 4, and that is developing multimedia that teach. But before we do that, what I want to do is I want to help us understand the ideas behind good design, as well as understanding now the theoretical from Mr. Mayer. What we have here are examples of various presentations that we're going to quickly look at as a group. And now that we have our new lenses of looking at the world of multimedia presentations, we can start understanding how Mayer applies. Finally, what we're going to do is start making decisions about which tool we want to use. And I've got here quite a collection. Some of these you may use, some of these you may not decide to use. Some of these, like Educanon, are really almost a CMS, content management system. EduCreations is a tool that allows you to make, very simply, to make a series of lessons that actually start you off as a class, or you make a course. Google Presentation is pretty much PowerPoint. It's just Google's take on it. The problem with these 1, 2, 3 here is, especially like with BlendSpace, BlendSpace used to be able to have narration. It's gone now. Don't know why. PowerPoint, you can do narrations in PowerPoint. It's not as hard as it used to be. I don't think you can do narration in Google. So, we may have to let that one go. VoiceThread, we like VoiceThread as a way of doing lessons. GoAnimate. You also have had a taste of GoAnimate. I can probably show you some good examples of GoAnimate where people have actually used them to teach with. Then there's good old Nearpod, which I'm hoping we can get Gabrielle to demonstrate for us. It's very easy to learn how to use. Again, I think I probably am going to take Prezi off the table along with the first, along with BlendSpace and Google, mainly because you can't do narrations in Prezi's, and the fact that I get dizzy watching a Prezi. Okay, so we're going to start off with, let's present our understandings of Mayer's principles. Let's look at examples now that we have our new Mayer understanding, and then let's move on to what do we expect us to do for the lessons. Last week we've already moved our grid over into your wiki space, and remember what I said about the grid, that you can just use links, or you can upload a file, or if you want to do the embed, you certainly can do the embed. It won't screw up anything. It just makes your wiki page nice and wide. Okay, I will see you Wednesday night.